Today, I'll show you a higher overview of installing the TripasGarage dual cam trigger kit for the 2JZ GE. This kit adds two missing cam sensors to the GE head, essentially converted into a GTE style setup, so you can run the factory twin turbo GTE ECU on your GE. The GE doesn't have the two cam sensors in the head that the GTE uses. Instead, it relies on the distributor for its two cam signals as well as its crank signal. Here is a picture of a GTE stock head. As you can see, it already has the provisions for each cam sensor to go in. Our kit includes a black anodized billet dual sensor mount, both sensors, a backplate, all required hardware, and a pair of aftermarket cam gears with anti-slip shims. Each cam gear is clearly labeled on the back side for foolproof orientation during the install. Remove the 3 bolts securing the serpentine belt tensioner to the head. Set the backplate over the tensioner and reinstall it using the 3 supplied longer bolts. Start them by hand and tighten evenly. Now simply bolt the sensor mount to the backplate with the 2 provided taper bolts. That's all there is to mounting our dual trigger kit. This setup supplies both cam triggers to the ECU. To completely delete the distributor, you still need to add a crank sensor to your GE so the ECU receives both cam signals plus the crank signal. We also offer a complete 100% bolt-on crank trigger kit that provides the ECU with that crank signal that it's needing. No oil pump swap and no permanent mods required. Simply bolt it on and you're good to go. As always, thank you very much for your support. Without you, I couldn't do any of this.